In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save prompts in Genspark. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to keep your best prompts and conversations organized, easy to find, and ready to reuse. First, use the tools built right into Genspark. After you enter a prompt and get a reply, look for the history or bookmark icons in the interface. Click Bookmark to save that conversation so you can revisit it later. Your bookmark chats will appear in the History panel, which serves as your archive of saved conversations. This is perfect for prompts you know you'll want to rerun or adapt. If the interface allows it, add a short label or a quick note to help you remember what the conversation covers. Over time, this internal history and bookmarks view becomes your personal library inside Genspark, and it's the fastest way to pick up where you left off. Next, create a permanent copy outside of Genspark. Select both your prompt and the AI's response, then press Ctrl or Command+C to copy. Paste that into your preferred Notes app, Notion, Google Docs, an Obsidian or Markdown file, whatever you already use. Give it a clear title, add a date, and include any context about how you used the prompt and what worked well. Many people do this because internal histories can get crowded and aren't always easy to search long-term. Keeping a clean archive in your Notes app makes your best prompts portable, shareable, and searchable across projects and devices. If you want to streamline this even further, you can optionally use a browser extension that exports your chats. For example, a Chrome extension called Genspark to Obsidian Markdown can export conversations as Markdown files, which is great if you're building a local prompt library. Before using any extension, review its permissions and test it on a single conversation to make sure the format looks right. If you don't want to use an extension, you can still manually export to your note-taking app of choice. Notion, Evernote, or a simple folder of Markdown files all work well for long-term storage. To wrap up, the workflow is straightforward. Bookmark your important conversations inside Genspark for quick access, copy and paste key prompts to your notes for a permanent, searchable record, and optionally use an export tool to automate the process. Keep your titles consistent, add brief summaries, and file everything into folders that match your projects. With a few minutes of organization each day, you'll build a prompt library that saves time and improves your results every time you open Genspark.